Hi, this is Hal from Summerlin Analytics. Today I want to show you how to install the BW74 on HANA trial using Amazon Web Services. Okay, first I want to show you two great guides to help you get started. The first one is SAP's guide on installing the trial appliance on AWS. It's pretty clear, very straightforward. It talks you through all the steps that you need to log into SAP, finding the appliance and installing it. The second resource I want to show you is the FAQ for Amazon Web Services specific questions. The first one being how to install a user ID and set up a role so that you can install this trial appliance. So on the next tab here, I'm logged into my console, and in this page you can see all the different groups I've set up. The first one being the one I call SAP Analytics, which has two policies attached to it. Now each group can only have two policies, so I would recommend creating one group per policy, so just so you make it clear. For the user, this is me. Make sure when you look at this page or this view, your user should have access to all the new groups that you just created. So here, user ID Hal would have access to all of these privileges, and this is the step that you would need to even create or install the BW74 on HANA trial in Cal. So that's issue one. Issue two, when I tried to install the trial appliance again, on this status right here, I saw a symbol that says pending review from Amazon. So what you see there is it won't allow you to actually install the appliance until you're authorized from Amazon. They want to make sure that you are the person who's doing it, and they want to make sure that it's not someone else installing an appliance in your account. So you should be getting an email from Amazon. I got a phone call from them actually within 15 minutes, and then I would follow up with an email just in case. It says here, you know, when you see the issue, it says you may wait 2 hours. Just call Amazon or email them and get the authorization. And after you do that, the next important step here is to terminate the install, because that install is stuck. You have to terminate it and install it again. So here's some screenshots that I've taken from my installation. This is the part where you're inside the Cloud Appliance library. You're ready to install this appliance. Two things that's very important here is picking your region and the subnet. I tried a different combination. A lot of them didn't work, but the combination that did work finally for me was using the region AP-Northeast-1 and the subnet -1C. Here in my screenshot it shows 1B. It didn't work. When I tried -1C, it worked. So going through the next set of steps, step number 2, I left these settings as default. Step 3, setting the password. Step 4, I want to manually start and stop my appliance. And step 5 is the summary. And if everything works successfully, you should see 2 green squares here showing you that the server is online. Actually, I think it's just 1 green square. And you can from then remote desktop in to your system, and this is what your trial system should look like once you remote desktop into it. So those are the 3 things I ran into. First one, making sure that you assign your user ID to the new groups that you've just created to give you the authorization to create the appliance. Step 2, making sure you have verification from Amazon again to create the appliance. So if you see a pending verification, just go ahead and delete that instance and recreate it or reinstall it again. And the third item is making sure you create the appliance in the right region and that subnet or subtask. Well, that's it. I hope you found this useful, I'll be putting all the different URLs that you've seen in this video on my website. And that's it. Hope it helps.